Good morning, Adriana. Say good morning. It's January 23rd. Say hi. So pretty. Look at your pretty face. So pretty. Say hi. Hi. Oh, she's wearing a shirt that the tennis girls made her. It says, "One rockin' baby." Oh, not the hiccups. Not the hiccups.